If you are giving $1 now, what are you going to use it to do?
I say this fees, like maybe my school fees.
What is the capital of Ghana?
Capital of Ghana is Accra.
Huh?
Accra.
Akure.
Accra. Yeah.
Akure.
Yeah.
Akure.
Yeah.
No, 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 no. Yes, I have three questions for you now. So these three questions now, if you can answer them correctly, we are going to be giving you 1,000 naira. So the first question now: who is the man in 10 naira?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. The second question: what is the capital of Ghana?
Accra.
Okay, okay, you got that one correctly. Maybe she get down. Yeah, she get down. Okay, so now the last question: if you are giving $1 now, what are you going to use that $1 to do?
Okay, I will use it to do a minor thing, but won't be mentioning what it will be used for.
No, no, no. I want you to mention it. Mention it.
Okay, I will use it for personal needs.
Okay, so like, what's the personal needs?
Okay, personal needs in aspect of academic and
Okay, we still want to know what will you use the $1 to do?
okay, since
say
you want
$1
since you want to know what I want to use $1 and do, I will use it in the aspect of my education,
Okay.
especially in sponsoring myself. Let's say from year one to final year.
All right, all right. Three questions for you, and if you get it, you are going to be winning a token from us. So now the first question, I think you used to use 10 naira. What is the name of the man in 10 naira?
God, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
No, you have to try it. Just tell us something. Make an attempt.
Mohammed, I don't know.
I was you an idiot.
No, 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 no. It's not Mohammed. It's not Mohammed. So you have failed the first question. Now the second question: what is the capital of Ghana?
Akure.
Ghana. Say it again.
Akure.
No, 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 no. You still failed the second one. The capital of Ghana is Accra.
Akure.
Yeah. Cameraman, una dey hear am? Okay. So now the last question. Are you ready? Okay, the last question now. Are you ready? Okay. If you are giving $1 now, what are you going to use it to do?
I'm giving $1. God.
Is it God? If you are giving $1 now, assuming say person just come carry $1 give you, what are you going to use that $1 to do?
I don't know.
You just try now. Say person come carry $1 give you, now money. What you go use and do?
Okay. I think I will use it maybe in settling most of my fees that I've not settled.
Okay, then we want to know what are the problems that you are going to settle.
Though I say this fees, like maybe my school fees, other fees, like other student charges. Let me just.
Fella, please get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Okay, student charge, that's school fees. That's approximately 47,000 naira, I guess. Am I right? Or is it before? Okay, and others. Okay, so now the question that I want to ask now, attaching that other question now. What is the value of $1?
God.
You say
I
God
don't
again.
know. I don't know.
You say God again. No, just tell us something. We believe in you. Say something.
I don't really know.
Wow, 150,000. Okay, the value of $1 is just approximately 700 to 800. It's a very small money. So you have seen it. So you failed the 3 questions.
They lie.
You won't be getting the token. The first question now. Chebi, they use 10 naira. Okay, so we want to know the name of the man in that 10 naira.
Avonikok.
Okay. Oh, bro. Level 5. You get that one. Okay. So the second question now. What is the capital of Ghana?
Capital of Ghana is Accra.
Huh?
Accra.
Akure.
Coca-Cola lásán ni kò tẹ̀ sí kan empty jacket ló.
Accra, yeah.
Akure.
Yeah.
Akure.
Yeah.
No. You got it wrong.
You like what they call quarantina. That is double quarantination. Quarantination, which is an extended value of quarantine plus nation equals quarantination.
Capital. Just try. There's something you need to do. There's something just little.
Something like,
No, there's something you have to twist that Akure.
okay, like Accra.
No, Accra. You got it, but you didn't get it right. So anyhow, it's a bad. So now the last question. This one is very simple actually. So the last question now. If you are given $1 now, what do you go use that $1 do?
Okay, if they give me $1, what thing I go use and do?
Yeah, what do you go use and do?
You know, Sabi, I be businessman. No?
Okay, so as a businessman now, say Dangote come now, carry $1 give you, what do you go use and do?
Okay. I go use them, make more money. Like, I feel use that $1 now, open them account.
A foolish man.
Open dumb account.
Yes. Then I buy more dollar add to it.
How you go carry dollar buy dollar? I don't understand.
They buy them now. Value of $1 now. I think the last time I checked is the current not black market. Yes. I think about 750 naira. The last time I'm not that current now.
Okay. What is the value of $1? So what can $1 buy for you?
Me?
Yes.
I don't know. Please